This short video describes how to correctly perform the adsorber replacement procedure. As always, follow the service procedure when performing this task. The purpose of the adsorber is to remove residual compressor oil and contaminants that normally build up in the cryocooler system over time. The adsorber must be replaced every 20,000 hours. A failure to replace the adsorber reduces the life of the cryocooler subsystem. Remove the supply line, then the return line from the compressor. The adsorber is behind the right cover. This cover is closest to the cold head supply and return flex lines. Gain access to the side of the compressor and remove the side cover. Remove the internal gas line. Use one wrench to disconnect the line, one to hold up the air-quipped fitting from turning, and another to stabilize the internal line. As you can see, this takes some skill to perform. Reach under the compressor. Using a 30mm open-end wrench, remove the nut holding the adsorber to the base of the compressor. Remove the nut holding the gas line to the face of the compressor. Remove the adsorber from the area. The new adsorber should be inspected for any damage in shipment. Remove the anchor nut at its base. It is a good idea at this point to record the time shown on the hour meter. Write it directly on the new adsorber or in the service logbook or other site record. Install the adsorber canister into place. Install and tighten the anchor nut under the compressor. Install the washer and nut on the opposite fitting and tighten it as well. Using the wrenches, tighten the fitting on the internal gas line. At this time, you may want to perform a leak check of the internal fitting on the new adsorber. Refer to the procedure for details. Replace the side cover. Make sure to tighten all screws. Attach the return line first and tighten. Attach the supply line and tighten. Attach the cold head power cable. Before restoring the power, check the static or equalized pressure on the helium gauge. If out of specification, it may be necessary to perform the compressor charge procedure. If necessary, refer to the appropriate procedure. Turn on the switch at the rear of the compressor. Finally, turn on the front power switch while monitoring the helium gauge. The dynamic pressure when equalized should eventually settle into the specified range between 2.1 and 2.3 megapascal. Make sure to remove all tools. If it was necessary to move the compressor, restore it to its original location.